Welcome to our tutorial on how to unhide replies on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to uncover hidden replies and engage with conversations effectively. To begin, locate the hidden reply you wish to unhide within a tweet's replies section. Look for the hidden reply icon and click or tap on it to reveal the hidden response. Once you've clicked on the hidden reply icon, navigate to the specific reply you'd like to unhide. Click or tap on the More icon associated with that reply to access additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Unhide reply option to make the previously hidden reply visible to all users viewing the tweet. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily manage hidden replies on Twitter and ensure that all responses are visible within the conversation thread. Unhiding replies allows for transparent communication and fosters open dialogue on the platform. Engage with your audience effectively by uncovering hidden responses and participating in meaningful discussions. That wraps up our tutorial on Unhide replies on Twitter using your PC. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more Twitter tips and tricks to enhance your social media experience.